Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Harbor Freight 3-day sale, March 22 through March 24, Sunday. So that's for this weekend. Starting today, Friday. Happy Friday to everybody. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And let's go ahead and get started. As you guys can see, we got a brand new coupon. Yes, a brand new coupon, Harbor Freight. It says the details. It says take an extra $5 off any purchase of $50 or more. Valid in store only. Then let's read the fine print here. Limit 1 through the 24th. It says limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in store only. Save $5 off any qualifying purchase of $50 or more after applying any other applicable offers or discounts. So I guess, wait, let me see. Cannot be used with any of the following: inside track, club membership, extended service plan, or gift card. Number to purchase, non-transferable. So I guess if I'm not wrong, correct me if I'm not wrong, but I guess you could use it with other coupons. It says save off any qualifying after. Oh yeah, so or more after applying other applicable offers or discounts. So I guess, I don't know if, please leave me a comment down below. See what you think about this wording here. But from my understandings, it's $5 off a $50 item or more after applying with applicable offers or discounts. So after the discounts or other coupons. So leave me a comment down below. See what you think. Even if you work for Harbor Freight, let me know what you think. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this coupon here. We got a free coupon. The greatest super bright LED is work light. So it's the famous light. Guess they're reintroducing the new coupons. We got a latex coated work gloves, $149. Rapid pump, 1.5 ton lightweight aluminum floor jacks, $59.99. Multi-purpose scissors, 69 cents. 4-inch magnetic parts holder, $199. 200 lumen bright light flip light, $299. 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart for $189.99. Your choice of all 6 colors. Trigger spray nozzle, $399. 72 by 80 moving blanket, $599. 4000 max, 32 running. Generator, $289. We always seen it at that price. Still a great deal though. 24 feet, 18 volt, 12 sockets, $19.99. 11-inch cable ties, pack of 100, $199. 14-inch electric chainsaw, $39.99. 10 feet by 17 portable garage, $169. 3-in-1 portable power pack, $39.99. HLV gravity feed spray gun, $9.99. 8-channel surveillance DVR with 4 HD cameras, mobile monitoring capabilities, $229. 3-piece titanium high-speed steel step bits, $8.99. 7-inch variable speed polisher sander, $32.99. 1/6 submersible utility pump, $49.99. Trucker's chain, $29.99. 50 feet electric drain cleaner, $199. 15-inch tool bag, $6.99. 3/8 by 50 feet rubber air hose, $19.99. 225 piece mechanics toolkit for $99. 1250 pound position dolly, $64.99. 3/8 variable speed reversible drill, $11.99. I do have this one that still works. I think I have over a year. I gotta do 1-year review on this. 36 LED security lights. It needs a lot of light though. This part. It needs to be like really high, so you get all day light all day. $15.99. Mechanics roller seat with drawers. $49.99. It's actually nice. You guys haven't seen my video on the Costco one. It's green, and just watch my video. It's the video before this one, I believe. But yeah, there's a green one at Costco that matches the green tool cart from here from Harbor Freight. So if you got the green tool cart, you go to Costco and get that green drawer thing, seat drawer. 170 amp, 240 volts max flux cord welder. $159.99. Portable folding LED work lights. $4.99. These lights are great. Multi-purpose transfer pump. $4.99. Folding lockback utility knife. $3.99. 1/2 inch breaker bar. 25 inch. $8.99. You can't beat this price. Ultralight crush proof weather resistant lockable case. $9.99. And then you got a 2-tier easy store step ladder, $19.99. These are great. I have one. 20 bin part storage case, $5.99. These are great. I have one too. I do have the review. See if I can link that up. Alright guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this $5 extra. I think it's actually saying $5 after applying any other applicable offers or discounts. So let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.